Hey everyone, today we're going to be out exploring Budapest. So we're going to see what we can see. However, before we go out, we're going to have a little bit of lunch to fuel up. But of course, as always, going to be taking you with us. So we've got like a tofu, pepper, onion, garlic sort of all fried up on a bed of salad with some peanut sauce and a chilli because I've got a bit of a cold and I want to try to get rid of that as quick as possible. But looks delicious and I'm sure it tastes delicious. And we're off. Okay, so we're about halfway through our walk now, or just under. I think we're around by the Hungarian Parliament now, but the clips you would have just saw before, as you would have seen in the label, it's a very, very harrowing place, and I have to admit, even just sitting there still, just for a few minutes, I felt myself quite teary. But yeah, we're just going to carry on now, so let's go. I have been defeated. Oh no. Okay, so we just stopped and had that amazing vegan food, which some of it looked quite traditional. Now we're heading up to, I think it's called the Fisherman's Bastion or something like that. So I'll show you some more shots when we get there. Right, hello everyone. So we're back from a really nice walk around Budapest, looking at some of the main sort of attractions or sites. We did stop and have that huge meal, so I'm not sure if we're going to eat tonight. So I think this is a good place to end this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And even more importantly, as always, don't forget to look after yourself and our beautiful planet. And I'll see you next time.